What's up guys, and it's all here. For the first time ever, Samsung will be releasing a new Ultra device alongside their S Ultra flagship, which is the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. We just got all the details including the specs as well as some official press images. Samsung is the only brand right now that is keeping the Android tablet game alive by bringing the world's fastest Android tablet ever, the Tab S8 Ultra. We got its confirmed specs and features as well as some pricing info and even some release date plans. We'll also take a look at Samsung's ultimate strategy to rival Apple in their home market. Alrighty, so we have the Tab S8 Ultra's official press photos. You can see it's a very classy standard tablet design. Nothing really crazy going on apart from that notch, which is still very surprising because it's for the first time Samsung is actually bringing a notch to its tablet display. Now it is for a good reason because you're gonna get dual 12-megapixel selfie sensors inside that notch, which are now said to be capable of sporting a very special feature. According to the latest news, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra supports center stage feature, which is similar to the iPad Pro. Samsung will call this feature auto framing. It helps keep the subject in the frame using pan and zoom while the subject is moving around. As for the display, the Tab S8 Ultra packs a 14.6-inch Super AMOLED screen. Looking at the back, we have a dual camera system, 13-megapixel main camera and a 6-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. Nothing crazy camera-wise, they should be able to perform pretty decent. Now the whole Tab S8 series exclusively backs the brand new Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip. Depending on what model you go for, you can have 8 gigs of RAM, 12 gigs of RAM, or even 16 gigs of RAM with the absolute maxed out version of the Tab S8 Ultra. The Tab S8 Ultra also exclusively brings the supernatural handwriting experience thanks to the 2.8 millisecond delay, which is something that Samsung is bringing on the S22 Ultra as well. What's even exciting is that all these tablets have full support for micro SD card slot for storage expansion. As for the pricing, we could see $1,100 for the starting price for the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Again, if you don't want to go Ultra, you do have Tab S8 as well as Tab S8 Plus models. They do miss out on those high quality cameras, but they are packing the same Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip as well as a higher refresh rate display. All of these tablets are packing some big battery gains as well, especially the Tab S8 Ultra with 11,200 mAh battery. Now for the release date, Samsung could announce these devices alongside with the S22 series, which is going to be an incredible unpacked event. Let me know what you think about all of this in the comment section below. Also in the news, Samsung's top executives, they actually had a meeting at CES 2022 in Las Vegas regarding how to challenge Apple in 2022. It's been reported that Samsung has formed a new Tiger strategy. The main goal of this strategy is to allow Samsung to dominate the US market by also minimizing the gap with Apple and achieve a record-breaking sales year. It's reported that Samsung wants to improve the market share of premium phones priced $600 and beyond. They also want to expand with new products. As we have seen, they announced their Samsung Freestyle projector device, which actually looks pretty cool. Plus, we're gonna see some new devices joining Samsung's wireless earbuds ecosystem. So that's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts regarding the Tab S8 series. It's safe to say that Samsung has a pretty fiery start of 2022. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.